Fleet operators managing EV charging networks are facing a silent security risk. OCPP 1.6J, still widely used, lacks modern encryption that leaves systems vulnerable to cyber attacks. OCPP 2.0.1 changes everything. OCPP 2.0.1 introduces TLS 1.3 and advanced certificate handling. That means stronger authentication and better protection against unauthorized access. It's not just an upgrade, it's a necessity. But security isn't the only advantage. Firmware updates in OCPP 2.0.1 are smarter. You can schedule them during off-peak hours and roll back if something goes wrong. No more unexpected downtime. OCPP 1.6J handles updates poorly. It's basic, inflexible, and often causes disruptions. For large fleets, that's a costly problem. OCPP 2.0.1 solves that with granular control. Session management also gets a major boost. OCPP 2.0.1 supports real-time data, dynamic pricing, and detailed reporting. That's not just useful, it's essential for optimizing costs and performance. A logistics company with 40 electric vehicles saw a 30% reduction in downtime after switching. They gained better control, more security, and smarter operations. That's the kind of impact you can expect. If you're still using OCPP 1.6J, it's time to evaluate your risk. OCPP 2.0.1 isn't just a new version, it's a strategic upgrade that future-proofs your charging network.